Hi and welcome back. Today I want to show you how to fix a noisy fan. This procedure is especially useful to extend the life of GPU fans because replacements are neither easy to find on the market nor cheap. I will show the procedure using the fan of my old NVIDIA 9600 GT graphics card. Let's do it. First of all, we need to disconnect the fan connector. Then we remove the fan. After that, we need to peel one of the labels of the fan using something sharp like a flathead screwdriver or our nails. Be careful though, you don't want to tear the label. After that, you will probably see this very small C-ring which has to be removed to allow us to disassemble everything. With that done, you can separate the fan from its electric motor. You will notice that the fan has a very small spring on it. Remove it, but don't lose it. Now you have the opportunity to clean the fan and the motor with some compressed air. Once you have done it, lubricate the fan shaft and the motor bearings with some grease or oil. You don't need expensive stuff. Even the cheapest machine oil will do fine. Don't use WD-40 or other spray products though, because their lubricant power won't last long enough. After that, reconnect the fan onto the motor and disconnect it once or twice. Then you can reassemble the fan and spin it to allow the lubricant to be spread nicely. With that done as well, you just have to reinstall your fan, turn on your PC, and enjoy the silence. Thanks for watching. Like this video if it has been helpful and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff. And remember to stay frugal.